In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get free credits on Google Cloud step by step using multiple official and safe methods that Google itself provides. If you're a student, a developer, a startup founder, or just someone who wants to learn cloud computing without spending money, this video is going to be extremely useful. We'll cover the Google Cloud free trial, the always free tier, learning credits, startup programs, and even special events that give you bonus credits. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more software tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first and most popular way to get free Google Cloud credits is through the Google Cloud free trial. To do this, open your browser and go to cloud.google.com. From the homepage, click on Get Started for Free. You'll be asked to sign in with your Google account. Make sure you're using an account that has never used Google Cloud before, because this offer is only for new users. Once you sign in, Google will prompt you to activate the free trial. You'll receive $300 in free credits that are valid for 91 days. During the sign-up process, you will need to add a payment method, such as a credit or debit card, but don't worry, Google will not charge you unless you manually upgrade to a paid account. As long as you stay within the free credits, you won't be billed. After activation, you can use these credits on most Google Cloud services, like Compute Engine, Cloud Storage, BigQuery, and more. This is perfect for testing projects, hosting apps, or learning cloud infrastructure. The second way to get free Google Cloud usage is through the always free tier. Even after your free trial credits expire, Google offers a set of services that are free every month within certain limits. To check this, go to cloud.google.com and search for always free tier. Here you'll see services like a small virtual machine, limited cloud storage, Firestore usage, and more. These are designed to let you run small projects continuously without paying anything. Just make sure you stay within the usage limits listed on the page. The third method is through Google Cloud Innovators and learning programs. Google often provides learning credits through platforms like Google Skills Boost. By joining Google Cloud Innovators or participating in monthly learning challenges, you can earn credits that can be used for hands-on labs. These labs normally cost credits, but through these programs, you get them for free. To join, search for Google Cloud Innovators and sign up using your Google account. Once enrolled, check your email and dashboard regularly for free credit announcements. The fourth option is Google Skills Boost Arcade events. These are limited-time events where Google rewards you with free credits, badges, and sometimes even swag for completing labs and challenges. These events are announced on the Google Cloud blog, email newsletters, and community pages. Participating is a great way to learn while earning free usage. Another powerful option is the Google Cloud Startup Program. If you're building a startup, you can apply for startup credits that range from hundreds to thousands of dollars depending on your stage and eligibility. Go to cloud.google.com and search for Startup Program. You'll need to apply and provide details about your product or company. If approved, you'll receive significant free credits to help you scale. Students and educators also have options. Google offers academic grants and free access through partner programs and institutions. If you're a student, check with your university or search for Google Cloud academic programs to see what's available. So those are the main ways to get free Google Cloud credits safely and legally. Use the free trial for testing, the always free tier for long-term projects, learning programs for skill building, and startup or academic programs for bigger credit amounts. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.